Hey everyone, in this video we will compare RoomSketcher and SketchUp. RoomSketcher and SketchUp are great for creating 3D designs that serve different needs. RoomSketcher is a beginner-friendly tool made for home designs, floor plans, and interior layouts. It's great for people who want to create 2D and 3D room designs without needing technical skills. The drag and drop interface is simple and you can easily visualize spaces with furniture, walls, and color. It's perfect for homeowners, real estate agents, or interior designers who want quick, good-looking results. SketchUp, on the other hand, is more advanced and flexible, designed for professional 3D modeling of buildings, products, and landscapes. It offers much more creative control, but there's a learning curve for beginners. You can build detailed custom designs from scratch, which is great for architects or serious designers. While it's very powerful, it might feel overwhelming if you want to make a simple floor plan. In my opinion, RoomSketcher is best for easy home planning, while SketchUp is better for advanced 3D modeling and design. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.